Good morning, guys. Get ready with me in this year in 17. So today I thought let me share how am I preparing myself when I go to work, guys. And it's like guys, but as you go up over tonight, Shongan is in braids. I had them for almost 2 months. I am so proud of myself, guys. I am using moisturizer because of the texture of my hair. I prefer moisturizer, guys. If you have something you can recommend to me because we say when I'm having braids, but however I am happy with the moisturizer, guys. But what I can tell you is that I can cause no style of braids, basic stuff ndigqibile. And to tell you what, I'm going to do it again, because tell me, for 2 months I have not spent a cent with the hair. So cost cutting, guys. I do recommend you guys do braids so that they can stay long, and then you are saving money for that. And Kesana had to pick some earrings. I don't know which is which, but I wear the same color, like I like silver earrings, but just changing them. Okay, Nazi is it right? And the Kambana shake. But yeah, I am preparing for myself, guys. In 20 years, I'm also going to the taxi rank. In the is that my car broke, so it went for mechanic fix. So I'm going to take you guys with me when I'm going to the rank. I'm still busy preparing myself for the jacket, and again when I'm going to what do you call this? Ranking, I need to make sure that imali yam ikhona, and it is enough for me to do it, kesan. All I can say is that ndigqibele nini kanene ukukhwela i-public transport, guys. Ndigqibele nini, guys. But I think I bought my car in 2018, so since then zange ndaphinde ndakhwela public transport. So life will humble you understand. That is me, guys, counting the money for taxi fare so that ndingaglinge mntakaba undishaywe ngonoteksi ukuba girl, why are you having imali enkulu at this time? Guys, if you are using public transport, you need to make sure that imali yakho right. I realized when I checked the time ukuba early, so I was like, let me have some coffee with ubanibani, ndizombeza ngegama, and then that is me walking to the taxi rank. I-taxi rank leyo ke, guys, I'm showing you ukuba ndangena naseteksini, guys, taking selfie. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.